So just to go back and summarize these models, the fund's real actual net to LP returns are a 1.41 net multiple and a 14% net IRR. When we use the better net return model to synchronize all net and gross cash flows, we get the same net multiples and a subline adjusted net IRR of 12.17%. The benefit of this approach is that not only do we adjust the entire fund's net IRR, but we also get a subline adjusted net return for every investment in the portfolio. When we use the subline balance to adjust the net to LP cash flows, we get the same net multiple and another subline adjusted net IRR measurement of 12.17%. A benefit of this approach is that it's a little more intuitive, and the only extra data you need is the subline balance, which you could probably pull off a bank statement. The downside, of course, is that you don't get those subline adjusted net IRRs for individual investments like you do with the better net return model. When we use this approach, but also add the subline interest back into the model, we get a higher net multiple of 1.43 and a slightly improved subline adjusted net IRR of 12.88%. The obvious advantage here is that the returns are better, but who knows if you'll actually get away with this. Now, you might be thinking, hey, this is a heck of a lot of work for a 1.5% difference in net IRR, and on that point, I agree with you, but given the SEC's guidance from February of 2024, I think that these are the easiest and most accurate ways to solve the problem.